everyone, so today we have got another Lookfantastic beauty box to unbox for you guys. I feel like it's been ages. I feel like I might have missed last month or I was really late. I don't know, but I feel like I haven't filmed in ages, which it has been a little bit of a while, so if I seem out of touch, that is why. We've got another Lookfantastic subscription box. This costs £13 a month. Well, I pay £13 something a month. That's because I'm in a 12-month subscription for this, but I pay monthly for it. I'm sure I am. But it ranges between £13 and £15 a month, depending on what subscription plan you get. And yeah, but you can pay monthly even if you get the £12 one. 12 month, it's just you're in a 12-month plan basically. So really, I do have a coupon code for Lookfantastic. I will put that on the screen. There is an affiliate code. It helps my channel out, so if you do use that, thank you so much. It does work on a lot of Lookfantastic products as well, but it should give you a discount on this subscription as well if you do decide to subscribe to Lookfantastic. So anyways, let's just get into it. So it's in this green recyclable box, you know, this style, and we're just going to see what we got in this month's box. So we got lots of leaflets. Something smells nice, but I don't know what. Oh, the first thing we've got is this Ren cleanser, which I actually do need a cleanser. Have you heard that Ren is going to be no more soon, which I'm absolutely good. My favourite toner is the Ren toner. I'm so good about that. I don't know whether I should stock up on it or just say goodbye to it now. I don't know. But yeah, I'm absolutely good. I'm hoping somebody will buy them out and it'll stay. I don't know, but yeah, I've read up that Ren will be no more soon enough. But this is the Ren Evercalm Gentle Cleansing Gel. It soothes and balances. It's for sensitive skin, and I actually am running short on cleanser, so I'm very happy about that. And I don't think I've even tried it. And Ren is clean to skin, clean to planet, and it's good size. Next, we've got the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser. With 10% AHA. I will definitely use this. I feel like I might have a couple in the drawer already, but this is the strawberry scent, which I definitely don't think I have. This is a good product to get at this time of year as well, I feel like. So that is a nice little product to get. And I don't know, but it's a decent enough size, especially because I'll probably just use it on my top of my arms. And then we have got a little flannel. It's a little 100% cotton exfoliating muslin cleansing cloth. So I'll definitely use that. I'm quite excited about that. I love little things like this. So yeah, feels lovely and soft and all. I don't know whether that's counted as one of our products. Then we've got the Bondi Sand Pure Self Tanning Sleep Mask. Oh, this sounds good. This definitely for this time of year as well. It's a clean, simple, transparent, pure self-tanning sleep mask. So I'm assuming you just go to sleep with it on and you will have a tan. I've got stuff like this already. I'm actually using their tanning drops at the minute. First day only, so the tan hasn't come yet, but I'm using their tanning drops, the facial tanning drops. That is this brand as well. So, and I do like that brand on Nice Hands. Next, we've got the Pixie by Petra Brow Tamer. This is a clear brow gel. Quite self-explanatory, to be honest. The spoolie looks quite nice, but I've got loads of brow gels, so. And then next we've got the Bedhead, which I love the packaging of this. I think this is the product that I could smell when I opened the box. Yes, you can smell the product on this. It is the Bedhead TGI After Party Super Smoothing Cream for silky and shiny hair. Apply on wet hair, blow dry to finish on dry hair. Use it on dry hair to get the flyaways away, or you can actually use it on wet hair to have a smooth blow dry. So that's quite good, isn't it? I quite like this box. I like this month's box, if I'm being honest. I do. I love Ren. So I'll run through the products again. So like I say, I love Ren products. So I'm so happy about that, and it's such a good size. Then we've got the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser. I think that's such a good product for this time of year. We've got the Pixie, another good brand by Petra Brow Tamer. I mean, if people weren't like me and a beauty box addict and avant calendar product, you probably don't have loads of these. So That's the only reason I have loads of them. But yeah, good product, good brand. I'm really excited about this. Whether I'll end up using it is the question, because I am quite lazy with my hair, if I'm being completely honest. But yeah, excited enough for it all. Got the Bondi Sands like sleep mask. It is a little bit of a small size, but I'm still happy about that. It's the time of year where I would like a little bit of a tan on my face and stuff like that. And then the Lookfantastic exfoliating lip cloth. I'm actually so excited about that. So yeah, I think this month's box is a good one. I'm happy with the money I spent for this box. And anyways, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you want to subscribe to this box, I will have it linked down below. My coupon code for Lookfantastic will be on the screen here. That is an affiliate coupon code. But that you can use that on Lookfantastic products as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.